Use sinus for different effects in material. First, we need to create some value for sinus, so I will create time. Let's see what the time does. So, right-click and type debug, and select the debug float 2 value. Wire these nodes together and right-click to debug and start previewing node. You see it's increasing value in second and it's a float value. Then drag the time and type sinus and wire these nodes together, and you see the sinus is pre-mapping the value into the range -1 and +1. So if I wire the sinus to emissive color and hit apply, we get the basic flashing material. But we can also use this for example, world position offset. The world position offset needs the vector 3 to know the direction of the movement. Let's say we want to animate the only Z axis. So first we will create the vector 2 value by holding 2 and left click, then right click and append vector, wire these nodes together, and for the Z axis we will use our sinus, but we will multiply it by holding M and left click, and the second value will be 500. Wire these nodes together, put it into the world position offset and hit apply, and we get this flashing and moving sphere. We can get rid of the emissive by Alt and left click to the pin, hit apply, and you see we get this really basic animation made only with our material.